Hello and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode we'll talk about games, so let's get started. What indoor games are popular with children nowadays? Nowadays, children tend to enjoy popular indoor games like board games and video games. Or, currently, indoor games that captivate children's interest include board games and video games. What's the difference between indoor games children play now and those they played in the past? The contrast between contemporary indoor games with children and those of the past stem from the technological advancements they incorporate, or the distinction between the indoor games kids play today and those of the past lies in their technology complexity. Do you think playing computer games is a waste of time? I believe that engaging in computer games might be considered a waste of time by some. It's my perspective that participating in computer games could be viewed as time being squandered by certain individuals. Can children benefit from playing computer games? Yes, children derive benefits in playing computer games, such as enhancing cognitive skills. Certainly, playing computer games can yield advantages for children, such as the improvement of cognitive abilities. What's the difference between boys and girls games? The distinction between book games favored by boys and girls often around their themes and preferences. Or, we could say, the differentiation between games preferred by boys and girls frequently relates to the themes and inclinations that attract each gender. What kinds of games do children play these days? Nowadays, children participate in a diverse array of games, ranging from virtual reality games to interactive puzzles. In present times, children engage in a wide variety of games, including virtual reality games and interactive puzzles. Do you think it's good for children to play games? I'm of the opinion that playing games can be beneficial for children's cognitive and social development. From my perspective, engaging in games can have positive implications in children's cognitive and social growth. How do you think children can benefit from playing games? Engaging in games can contribute to children's skill development in problem solving and collaboration. Or playing games can help children develop problem-solving skills and teamwork. Do you like playing indoor games? Yes, I enjoy playing indoor games as they provide entertainment and relaxation. Indeed, I find playing indoor games enjoyable as they offer a source of entertainment and relaxation. Okay, that's all the questions. Next up is our reading passage. Read along. It's intended to give you more of an insight to the topic at hand. Indoor games have become a source of entertainment for ages. Traditional games have transitioned to digital alternatives. In this passage, we'll explore the evolution of indoor games. Accessibility, connectivity, and realistic simulations drove the shift. Technology has revolutionized indoor games. Digital platforms have replaced physical board games. Digital games offer a wide variety of options. Players can choose games aligned with their interests, and the appeal of indoor games has increased due to customization. Digital games enhance cognitive skills. Critical thinking, problem solving, and strategic planning are required. And educational games blur the line between learning and leisure. Virtual environments enable collaboration and communication. Digital games foster social interaction, and players can connect with friends and competitors globally. Traditional board games and activities still exist. There is a resurgence of interest due to nostalgia, and tangible experiences and face-to-face interactions are valued. Indoor games have evolved with technology. Both digital and traditional games have their own appeal. The gaming world caters to a wide range of preferences. Okay, that's the reading passage. I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look. Evolution, landscape, traditional, digital, advent, revolution, paradigm shift, accessibility, connectivity, ambient, realistic simulations, variety, customization, spectrum, preferences, cognitive skills, critical thinking, problem solving, strategic planning, skill building activities, camaraderie, collaborate, global gaming community, virtual environment, tangible, tactile experience, resurgence, nostalgia, face-to-face interaction, enjoying value, coexistence. Expressions for describing trends and changes, undergo a transformation, shape the landscape, mark shift, reflecting evolution, emerge as a category, highlight the enduring appeal, or bring about a revolution, lead to power actions. Okay, and lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Today we're going to do no different. Instead, I'm going to show you 4 questions. You can have a go at putting them into your own words, and then unpause the video and have a look at some of the answers I have. Okay? So we have, how can we avoid wasting time? Should parents help children manage time? Do you think relaxing is a waste of time, or is time management important? Now, pause the video right here. Okay? Have a go, and when you're ready, unpause. Welcome back. Now, let's have a look at your answers. Here are some of mine. Take a look. Now, we're going to do the same with statements. We have, parents have a role to play in teaching their children effective time management. Time management skills can greatly enhance productivity. Relaxation is often dismissed as a non-productive activity, and balancing leisure and work is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Again, pause the video, and I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Okay, are you ready? Let's have a look. Now let's move on to the next one. And lastly, we have paraphrasing descriptions, which are on your uniform. As always, thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one.